Today, we master our system. We are not a better agent, we are different. The way our system is set up, we are a different agent. Most real estate agents competing on this side, we are completely different. Focus on how it benefits the consumers. Today, we mainly focus on what is it that we contribute, what is it that we serve our clients that the clients cannot get anywhere else. And towards the end of today, we have a fun treat. We have a special workshop with our the #1 probate attorney in town, attorney Paul Horn, here sharing with us about probate workshop. It's gonna be an awesome day. I'm looking forward for day 3.